You are watching Pharma News. Here are the top headlines of today. FDA approves first generics of Gilenya. The US FDA has approved 3 applications for first generics of Gilenya capsules for the treatment of relapsing forms of multiple sclerosis in adult patients. The FDA granted approvals of generic fingolimod applications to HEC Pharma Co. Limited, Biocon Limited and Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Mankind Pharma launches its generic dydrogesterone tablets for treatment of infertility and pregnancy-related complications. Mankind Pharma is the first Indian and second global firm to develop the drug. The drug is the generic version of Pharma Duphaston tablets. Lynparza approved in China as a first-line maintenance therapy in BRCA-mutated advanced ovarian cancer. AstraZeneca and MSD's Lynparza is the only PARP inhibitor approved in this setting in China. Quiz question: US FDA approved generic version of which drug recently? The drug is a blockbuster multiple sclerosis drug of Novartis AG. Obagio, Tecfidera, Mayzent or Gilenya. Israeli startup Site Diagnostics finger prick blood test approved by US FDA. The device can process results for the most commonly needed blood test in about 10 minutes. FDA authorizes marketing of diagnostic test that uses novel technology to detect MRSA bacteria. The FDA granted marketing authorization of the Cobas Vivo DX MRSA test to Roche Molecular Systems Inc. BMS announces US FDA breakthrough therapy designation for Orencia. The designation is for the prevention of moderate to severe acute graft versus host disease in hematopoietic stem cell transplants from unrelated donors. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories announces the launch of bortezomib for injection 3.5 mg per vial for intravenous use only in the US market. Dr. Reddy's bortezomib for injection is for intravenous use only and is indicated for the treatment of adult patients with multiple myeloma and for the treatment of adult patients with mantle cell lymphoma who have received at least one prior therapy. Astellas enters into definitive agreement to acquire Audentes Therapeutics. Complementary capabilities and resources of the two organizations to create an industry-leading gene therapy company. Acquisition price of $60 per share in cash, representing a total equity value of approximately $3 billion. Viv Healthcare submits new drug application to the FDA for fostemsavir, an investigational first-in-class attachment inhibitor for the treatment of HIV in adults with few treatment options available. Viv Healthcare, the global specialist HIV company majority owned by GSK with Pfizer Inc. and Shionogi Limited as shareholders, today completed submission of a NDA to the US FDA seeking approval of fostemsavir. Indian Pharma stocks update. Today Dr. Reddy's is up 1.1% and Natco Pharma is up 1.1%. Panacea Biotech is down 4.3% and Indoco Remedies is down 3%. For details, you can visit the link shown in the news bites, and for quick pharma industry updates, download Pharma State app.